All right, my little buddy Eric Lowe has finally gotten into RC and he's kind of hooked. So I helped him buy his first RC airplane, the Timber Turbo. It's Turbo Timber, and it's considered a micro size, so it's only like maybe 20 inches wingspan, and it came all pre-built from Horizon Hobby. It's an Eflite model, I believe, with a brushless motor in the front. Take a look here, and she's ready to go. This is the third time Eric's flying. The first flight didn't do very well. We had to glue a few parts back together. And he's setting up what's called
safe mode.
Safe mode. Yeah, safe mode helps keep the plane level for beginners, and just to have a more stable flight, so you don't have to work too hard to keep the plane level as you're flying. So Eric's using that. He was using my old Futaba radio, which wasn't compatible with the safe mode system, and so we kind of blame that for. Now notice the wind is actually coming from behind me, Eric, right now, from the left, so it's going to blow your plane a little to the right. Okay, so
let's do this.
All right, you're going to take off. Okay, was that wind or what?
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah, so that's how light this thing is. I think it's like, what, 4 ounces?
Yeah.
4 ounces. Here we go, buddy. Go for it. Nice and smooth. Don't lose track of the ground, okay? Always know where the ground is.
It's blowing me down.
Come back, yep. Fly towards the west. There you go. Come back towards us. Good job. Yep. You're doing good. You're doing very well.
Better than my first flight.
Yeah. So you got a lot of room here at the park.
Look at me, just float.
Yeah, just keep doing that, okay? Don't get blown the other way. Decrease your altitude. Come down, buddy.
Right.
Fight it, full blast. Yep, you're doing good. Keep fighting it. Don't get blown away. Yep, just keep it pointed at the west. There you go. No, elevation is too high, buddy. Altitude. Okay, there you go. That's a good height. You're doing well. You're doing well. Okay, the wind is kind of dying down. Okay. You don't have to land it. Don't worry about landing. Yep. See how long you can stay in the air here. Yep. There you go. Keep it up. Whoop. Yeah. Good job. Good job. So flaps right now would help you. Makes it more stable. Right. Okay. It's okay. Just kill it. Kill it.
Successful landing.
You tried purposely to land it?
No. The
wind took you down.
I deactivated my flaps.
Oh, you deactivated it. Oh, well, why did you do that? Well, this is a lot of wind, guys. This is probably like maybe gusting from anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour out here. This little plane did okay, but it was struggling with that wind. But anyhow, I highly recommend it. But be prepared.